Bullish OKB cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $96.10 and $209.29 by 2030. Market experts accept OKB could reach $96.10 by 2025. Bearish OKB market cost expectation for 2022 is $17.08. OKB presentation. The cryptographic money market is overseen by many driving trades that offer a stage for merchants to trade computerized resources. This is viewed as a profoundly dangerous business as a result of the unpredictability that accompanies digital currency areas and the steady unofficial laws that influence the conversion scale and the entry of new market members. Notwithstanding, trades like Binance, okex, Coinbase, Gemini Organization, FTX, and numerous others front-run the illustrative development of the area. A significant number of them have their local tokens. What is OKB? OKB is an ERC20 coin and the local badge of the okex organization, one of the significant cryptographic money stages in Malta for spot exchanging, prospects exchanges, and decentralized application improvement, which was created by the Allright blockchain establishment that includes a diverse engineering construction and applies verification of stake in the functional agreement. OKB token was based on the Ethereum blockchain yet was subsequently moved to its blockchain convention, okex chain. okex chain is profoundly versatile, secure, and has a diminished agreement time in light of the trademark framework of the organization. OKEx stage is one of the biggest cryptographic money trades worldwide in both liquidity arrangement and exchanging volume, which it keeps a main 5 spot in every one of them. It views itself as an exceptionally solid and straightforward stage for stable exchanging exchanges in light of its high-level utilization of conveyed bunch innovations and waiter load adjusting. The Allright blockchain network decisively coordinated the standards of cryptography science and innovation in building the groundwork of the organization to keep serious areas of strength for a design regardless of the monetary circumstance. They likewise dispose of the requirement for delegates, introducing a minimal expense arrangement in interfacing new tasks to clients while keeping up with security in the convention. OKEx endeavors to separate itself from different trades by sending off its cloud mining administration, a semi-independent multi-sig include for helpful exchanges, and multi-reason capacity wallets for the security of resources. The OKEx wallet includes the hot wallet, which generally requires the consideration of the clients, and the cool wallet stockpiling, which is viewed as a more secure choice. OKB token is a fundamental piece of the progress of the OKEx stage, as the holders can procure latently when placed to chip away at the stage, and the clients can acquire up to 40% rebate contingent upon their sack size and their status in the trade. Their bonuses are subject to whether they have customary or celebrity status, not entirely set in stone by a client's exchanging volume each day, which makes it ideal for new clients who have a greater commission payout. OKB key examination. OKEx stage was established in 2017 by Jay Hao and Minxing Star Zhu, who is presently the chief. OKEx was established as an algorithmic trade for changing fiat over completely to digital currencies that help choices exchanging. A flexible wallet gets to a great many monetary forms, edge, and subordinates exchanging. OKB is a utility token utilized for installment of exchange charges and awards the holders casting a ballot rights to turn into a piece of the organization's administration. Tokenomics. OKB has a complete stockpile of 1 billion OKB badge, of which 40% was dispensed to the establishing group, while 10% and half of the flowing inventory were circulated to the market financial backers and airdrops. Separately, the symbolic awards the holders a right to a half prize contingent upon the size of the OKB speculation, and furthermore gives the capacity to contribute and run exchanges on the stage. Be that as it may, 700 million OKB tokens were opened in 2022 and 100 million were distributed to the early financial backers and the OKB establishment each. 300 million went into public assets, while 200 million were granted to the improvement group. OKB coin current cost. OKB is presently worth $21.36 USD. OKB has moved 1.52% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $15,402,861. OKB is presently positioned 35 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $1,288,638,401 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for OKB to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. OKB value expectation 2022. OKB, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The OKB cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $32.03. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $29.90 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. OKB is supposed to have a base worth of $25.63. OKB value forecast 2023. In 2023, OKB cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of OKB will before long outperform $53.39. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the OKB's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, OKB will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $42.71 and a typical exchanging cost of $46.98. OKB value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $74.75 and OKB might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. OKB is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $68.34 and a low of $64.07 in 2024. OKB value forecast 2025. In the event that OKB effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the OKB coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, OKB will be green in 2025. The OKB is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $96.10, with a base cost of $85.42 and a typical cost of $89.69. OKB value forecast 2026. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the OKB cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $111.05 by 2026, with a base cost of $106.78 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, OKB has a greatest value worth of $117.46. OKB value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $132.41. In the event that OKB figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $138.81. Neglecting to accumulate the help OKB needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $128.13. OKB value expectation 2028. While OKB is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $149.49 and a yearly cost close above $160.17 in 2028. OKB value forecast 2029. By 2029, OKB will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could